If winter comes, can the spring be far behind? These are the lines said by poet Charles, a romantic poet. He calls a season as the king of seasons. Our Indian famous poet Shri Kantayya has rightly said, Vasanta Banda, Rutugala Raja Ta Banda. It is the season of milk and honey, regeneration, and the whole universe is filled with joy and celebration. That is why the season is represented with Mother Earth, or the element Earth among Panchabhutas. The season of life, the king of seasons, fills our mind with joy and celebration. The 6 seasons fortunately experienced by we Indians are Vasanta Rutu, the spring, Grishma Rutu, the summer, Varsha Rutu, the monsoon, Sharad Rutu, the autumn, Hemanta Rutu, the fall winter, and the Shishira, the winter. Spring is a time when nature awakes, so to speak. Everything is fresh and alive and new. This is also represented in the colors that can now found in nature. Opposed to the dull, cold, grey-white shades of winter, spring comes with fresh and vibrant palette. There is no particular flower related to the colors, as each flower, plant, shrubs, trees, bushes starts into springtime with fresh green leaves, fruits and vegetables. Thus, all kinds of plants and trees to blades of grasses cover nature with a fresh and new green shades. Beautiful colors burst into the bow of imagination. Colors of nature symbolizes fertility in both humans and nature. Colors of nature brings hope. Colors of nature are the symbol of life and being, feeling alive. Colors of nature stands for positive outlook. Spring and related festivals. As new life of nature comes reborn, Indians celebrate New Year in the festival that falls in spring, the month of Chaitra Masa, the first month of the Panchanga, which is the Indian calendar. It is called in different names in different parts of the country, as Yugadi in parts of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra, Tapna in Rajasthan, Cheti Chand by the Sindhis, Vasant Panchami, also called as Saraswati Puja in honor of goddess Saraswati, is a festival that marks preparation of the arrival of spring. The festival is celebrated by people in Indian subcontinent in various ways depending on the region. Vasant Panchami also marks the start for the preparation of the Holi or the Holika. Vasant Utsav on the Panchami is celebrated 40 days before spring because any season's transition period is for 40 days, and after that the season comes into full bloom. Spring and the love god. Kamadeva is represented as a young handsome god who wields a bow and arrows. Kamadeva or Manmata is a Hindu god of human love or desire. often portrayed along with his female counterpart Rati. Kamadeva is the son of the god Brahma. His bow is made of sugarcane and his arrows are decorated with 5 kinds of fragrant flowers. The 5 flowers are white lotus, ashoka tree flowers, mango tree flowers, jasmine flowers and blue lotus flowers. The names of these flowers in Sanskrit in order are Aravinda, Ashoka, Chuta, Navamallika and Nilotpala. Some of the attributes of Kamadeva are his companions are a cuckoo, a parrot, humming bees, the season of spring and the gentle breeze. All these are symbols of spring season. When his festival is celebrated as Holi, Holika or Vasanta. Spring season and associated ragas. In Carnatic classical music, the ragas to be rendered for spring are Hindola, Abheri, Brindavani and several more. In Hindustani classical music, the ragas rendered specifically in spring season are Basant, Bahar. Few lines on nature.
बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली प्यारे प्यारे फूल गुंते माला में एक है प्यारे प्यारे फूल गुंते माला में एक है कोयल की कूकू न्यारी पपी है कि टेर प्यारी कोयल की कूकू न्यारी पपी है कि टेर प्यारी गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक.
The beauty of the spring is glamorous. The spring is more like a new bride, and the park, the forest, the gardens are ready to welcome the beauty. The water in the ponds, lakes, rivers and seas dance in a ring. The pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo, chak chak, puvito vitao. Yes, the fresh feeling of flora and fauna in spring spreads the message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. And it is our home where we have to live in harmony with the environment around us. Dear friends, come on, let us celebrate the season of bliss. Wish you all a very happy Vasantotsava. Here present Vasanta Rutu, the spring.
ಋತುಗಳ ರಾಜ ತಾಪಂಗ ವಸಂತ ಬಂದ ಋತುಗಳ ರಾಜ ತಾಪಂಗ ವಸಂತ ಬಂದ ಋತುಗಳ ರಾಜ ತಾಪಂಗ ವಸಂತ ಬಂದ ಋತುಗಳ ರಾಜ ತಾಪಂಗ ತೆಗೆದಾಟ ಕುರುಬರ ಕೊಡಗಿನುದಾಟ ಕೊಡಿಗಡ ತೆಗೆದಾಟ ಕುರುಬರ ಕೊಡಗಿನುದಾಟ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಬೇಡ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳೂಟ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಬೇಡ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳೂಟ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ನೋಟ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ನವಿಲಿನ ಪಾಠ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ನೋಟ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ನವಿಲಿನ ಪಾಠ ಜಕ್ ಜಕ್ ಹೂವಿ ಹೂವೇಟ ಜಕ್ ಜಕ್ ಹೂವಿ ಹೂವೇಟ ಮಾವಿನ ಸೊಂಪು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಯಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಂಪು ಮಾವಿನ ಸೊಂಪು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಯಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಂಪು ಗಾಳಿಯ ತಂಪು ಜನಗಳ ಚಾಲನೆಯ ಗುಂಪು ಗಾಳಿಯ ತಂಪು